All those in favor say aye. All those against say nay.
The clip we hear dates back to Friday, November 9, 2018. Remember them of Parliament. The one turned the well of Parliament to boxing ring just after the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Sengepo Thomas, been put question for one motion with the Member of Parliament for Constituency 003 in Akailaun District, Honorable Indolo Gevao, been moved to Parliament for cancel the agreement between the Saloon government and NetPage for produce Saloon passport them. The case been warm at the well of Parliament just after where the presiding speaker that same day, Honorable Sengepo Thomas, been tinap Trangawan for support the motion we say Parliament for cancel this agreement with the Saloon government be don't sign with NetPage inside February 11, 2014, and with the two party them been amend August 8, 2017 in the interest of NetPage for make the price of passport move with the dollar exchange rates where even young baby no say Saloon no go able control.
I was in Parliament during the last term of Parliament, and I know as a matter of fact how topical the issue of this passport was when it came to a situation where the passport price went up to $100. The public of Sierra Leone flatly rejected that amount. As it is, the people of Sierra Leone are laboring under the $100 per passport. That's all the more reason why I became passionate when I saw a member of Parliament coming up with a motion to see that this particular motion, this particular agreement that has placed the price of our passport to $100 to be annulled.
That now been the position of the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Honorable Sengepo Thomas. The term with Parliament been get the opportunity for either cancel or not for cancel this passport agreement. But listen to the technical argument where the leader of the main opposition APC party in Parliament, Honorable Chernoba, been tried for put for sake of this issue.
We come to Parliament Friday morning, we see the order paper, and in the order paper we see a notice for annul a contract where government enter into for the production of passports. Very, very embarrassing. Parliament not a party to the contract. The contract now between the government of Sierra Leone and a private company. We roll now for ratify. If the government no want the agreement again, the procedure and position na government back for Kawitana Parliament, not a private member's document, na a government document. So for a private member move a motion for annul a government document, na be a shock to we all.
This technical point by the leader of opposition at Parliament, Honorable Chernoba, make the whip of the opposition, Honorable Hassan Esise, self been move one counter motion, say Parliament not for cancel this passport contracts, and the business of Parliament been tin up one place for some time that particular day. But the Deputy Speaker, Honorable Sengepo Solomon Thomas, been say he no go fall for any technical argument where the leader of the main opposition APC party go one engpan inside this issue, but say in point na for CC Saloon people get better service for passport with price we no go left them pampo.
As long as I preside, I cannot be seen subjecting myself to technicalities on issues that affect the lives and well-being of our people. That's all the more reason why I am in full support.
But after one meeting, the same day at the office of the Deputy Speaker, they been come out for get compromise. So the Deputy Speaker been asked Honorable Hassan Esise for withdraw in counter motion and left the motion with Honorable Gevao been done put out for make them look inside this issue or that term.
I intend to bend backwards at this stage to allow Honorable Hassan to withdraw his counter motion so that at the end of the day we'll take a date for proper deliberation of this matter. You can withdraw your counter motion because that was what we agreed. Withdraw your counter motion.
What are they withdraw for?
Honorable Hassan, are you withdrawing or not?
You don't impose it on me, Mr. Speaker. It is optional.
As you hear, the APC whip, Honorable Hassan Esise, been look stiff small for do waiting the Deputy Speaker, been tell him, but later, either out of pressure or other thing, been grieve for withdraw in counter motion and as what team been go.
I withdraw the motion.
You withdraw the motion. In the circumstances, I'm going to allow 7 days today. Those honorable members who are willing to file any other motion or counter motion against what Honorable Geva has already done, I am cancelling my earlier ruling to allow 7 days to lapse. Within these 7 days, if you know you have any counter motion, then you are free to file. Otherwise, we'll proceed.
But from the time where the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, we been look one turn hero pan this passport issue, been hang this matter na the shelf of Parliament. You not ever remember about this issue again. Although plenty people don't push plenty time for make authority them like the Saloon Parliament look inside this issue we get for do with the Saloon passport. And it's still not clear yet why the Saloon Parliament don't they drag in foot and self just go quiet on the Saloon passport issue. Where you remember the kind interest we MP them been don't show where the motion from Honorable Gevao for cancel this agreement been come up. This don't left plenty people for wonder waiting go don't happen along the way, or for say the Saloon MP them don't forget about the people them issue. But Wednesday, December 4, 2019, one group we call themselves Civil Society Consortium on Human Rights and Good Governance, Sierra Leone, pull one press release and describe the agreement between the Saloon government and NetPage for make Saloon passports as one we get plenty yuki from the time we then start them to now, and say it's still a continue, and as authority them don't they look this issue with Konayai, as those Saloon people they continue for strain for get passports where plenty people believe say na Saloon people them rights. The press release from them civil society activists them here carry on for talk about one major issue we don't come up. Winner inside April 2013, De La Rue when a NetPage in company inside this contract been write letter to the Ministry of Internal Affairs and promise for upgrade Saloon passports from machine readable to e-passports. But according to the activists them, this not ever happen. As all this they be, them people here we call themselves activists not ever provide any evidence for this them big claim. And the owner of NetPage, Jamal Shalop, where if they respond to this issue, say the Saloon passport gets all the security feature them and they comply with international standard, and said the Saloon government, when in business partner, know about this. On the issue we get for do with the Saloon passport in price, according to the 2017 amendment to this contract, and that the price for they like how the US dollar value with the Saloon money, and that same day now been 750,000 leons for $100, and so the Saloon passport been cost. But as the Saloon couple continue for go down bad one to the dollar, we now over 1 million leons for $100, plenty people at don't hang as to waiting go be the next move of NetPage, where you consider the 2017 amended agreement with the government of Saloon. As all this to be, NetPage don't maintain the price of passports from 2017 to now to 750,000 leons, although some people don't complain about black markets inside the Saloon immigration department. The fact that the US dollar they go up and the price of the Saloon passports not the faller, as the contract say, don't make, according to Jamal Shalop, NetPage don't wear inside big losses. As Shalop say, they pay complete copper to De La Rue for print Saloon passports, but it just gets half copper from Saloon people for the Saloon passports. And although the chief immigration officer and Ujaya Kaikai this BNTM say plan not they it for add the price of the Saloon passports, person we get common sense. We they wonder now how NetPage go manage this agreement, where it clear say according to the contract where the Saloon Parliament been agreed for inside 2017, NetPage get 100% right for add the Saloon passport price. Electric come out na bush, come na tongue. But you go on for know almost other country them, they sell them passports them, where you compare to the Saloon passports, we get 29 page them for $100 and they last for just 5 years. Kenya gets 64 page them for $74 and they last for 10 years. Ethiopia gets 32 page them for $90 and they last for 5 years. Gambia na $61 and it last for 5 years. Morocco na $50 and it last for 5 years. South Africa na $14 for them passports and it last for 10 years. Tanzania na $67.5 and it last for 10 years. Tunisia them passports na $20 and it lasts for 5 years. Zimbabwe them passports na $53 and it lasts for 10 years. And Nigeria them passports na $90 and it lasts for 5 years with 32 page them. Now civil society activists them, they call on President Julius Maada Bio for look inside this issue with clean eye, just like what he been do for the 2020 finance bill for save Saloon people. They plenty cry for sake of the Saloon passport issue, where plenty people get plenty thing for talk about. Glad TV go continue for look inside the issue we get for do with Saloon passports and go bring you different side them to this story as then they happen. Me na Abdullahi Bla the report.